Hey everyone, today I'll teach you how to make this exact animation in Blender 2.8. As always, it's going to be quick and easy, so let's get started. Let's start by scaling down the default cube. Press S and scale it down. Now go to the Modifiers tab and click Add Modifier and choose Array. Set count to 7. Set X value to 1.05. Now duplicate this modifier to more times to stack 3 array modifiers. In the second array modifier, set X to 0 and Y to 1.05. In the third array modifier, set X to 0 and Z to 1.05. Now you'll have 343 cubes in total. Apply all 3 modifiers by clicking Apply on each. Let's rotate the group of cubes slightly to make the simulation more interesting. You can press R and rotate. Now press Tab to go to Edit Mode, press P, and choose Separate by Loose Parts. Once done, return to Object Mode by pressing Tab key. Then go to Object, Set Origin, Origin to Geometry, so each cube has its own origin point. This is important for the simulation to behave correctly. Go to the Physics tab, click Rigid Body to enable physics, change the collision shape to box. Now go to Object, Rigid Body, copy from Active to apply the same settings to all cubes. Now check all cubes have same physics properties. Let's organize the cubes. Press Ctrl Z until all boxes are selected. Press M, select New Collection, give it a name. This keeps all cubes in one collection for better management. Add a plane. Select Add, Mesh, then select Plane. Press S to scale it up. Move it slightly downward. Go to the Physics tab, enable Rigid Body, and Change Type to Passive, change Shape to Mesh. Press Ctrl S, name your project, and save it where you like. Now play your animation. It's looking good. Press S and scale up the plane, or you can keep it as it is. Now play your animation. Now select a cube. Go to Materials. Pick a color, for example red. Now go to Animation. Press Z and select Rendered. Now select Light and change power to your liking. I will change it to 3517 watt. Now bake the animation. In the outliner, select one cube, hold Shift, click the collection, right-click, choose Select Objects. Now go to Object, select Rigid Body, then Bake to Keyframes. Set the end frame to 70. Click OK and wait for it to bake. This will take some time. Also, in your timeline, change the end frame to 70. Select the camera, press numpad 0 to look through it. Go to View and enable Lock Camera to View. Now adjust the viewport to frame your animation properly. Now unselect Lock Camera to View. Let's do some render settings, and let's keep it beginner friendly. Go to the Output tab. Choose your output folder and give your animation a name. Click Accept. Change file format to MPEG video. Under Encoding, set format to MPEG-4. Play one more time. Let's add another light. To add more light, duplicate the existing one with Shift plus D. Move and rotate it however you like. Go to Object Data Properties and uncheck Shadow if you like. Now render your animation. Select Render, then Render Animation. That's it for this tutorial. Once rendering is finished, your animation will look great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick and easy Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching.